I'm with UATP for about 3 years, and it has been a growing stage of journey of learning more about payments. As you can know, the payments landscape is massive and at the same time very fast growing. So what I do in UATP is that I am the commercial lead for APAC, and I look after UATP's 3 lines of business, namely the issuing solution. We issue our own cards. The APMs, the alternative payment methods. We host partnerships with AsiaPay to provide APMs a suite of good spectrum options of APMs for the payment network, and also particularly for the airlines. We specialize in the airline space. And lastly, we also provide acquiring solutions for the indirect sales for the airlines. So where our expertise lies in is that we are a global payments network company that really specializing in breaking down complex payment solutions for the airlines and the travel business at large. My experience in payments is not as massive as yours, for example. I am I would say if I may use like an analogy, I'm a baby in payments industry. There's so many veterans out there, with huge historical experience in payments, but I work a long time in the airline industry. So I think what brings it different and interesting is that the airlines does have a long historical ecosystem of payments, how they pay for both direct and indirect sales. And where I come in to look at this from another perspective is that we bring in new ideas. What are the emerging payment trends globally? Say Asia, we are very fast. We've got a very unique payment options, payment preferences as compared to, say, for example, America or even Europe. So you can tell that in terms of the focus, actually, for us, we are slightly more ahead in terms of adoption. Our adoption in that payment space is huge, and also a large dominant, of course, driven very much by China e-wallets, like the likes of AliPay, WeChat and all that. But Southeast Asia as a whole, it's very diverse, and we have seen that in a lot of cases, a lot of strong push from the governments in rolling out QRs. So, for example, Singapore, where you and me are from, we have the national QR, which is very popular. And because of that government push behind the collaborations, G2G, Thailand, India. So right now you can see from a certain bank app, right, you'll be able to use that same QR for payments. That is so convenient and so user-friendly for consumers. And that makes travel more easy. In fact, India is our big market that we place a very strong target in. And recently, about 2 weeks ago, in fact, we hold our very own UATP Singapore workshop right here on the 28th of October last month. And we announced our launch of we call it the INR solution, which is basically providing a solution for UATP card acceptance in India. We started the conversations with AsiaPay, say, maybe about 3 to 5 years ago, maybe way before I even touch on this journey. But I think there are joint goals, joint vision between both companies, and in strong collaborations. And we do see that mutual beneficial opportunities in terms of networking. We want to tap into AsiaPay's huge expertise within the region, huge knowledge and huge resource in the local payments infrastructure and also the network. So that's where we see the advantages are. And of course, letting AsiaPay making use of UATP's existing over 340 merchant member base is also very exciting. So we are bringing new value. We are bringing new value, new business opportunities in the area of payments to our members. So that's something that we are very much excited about. We would like to congratulate AsiaPay for 25th year anniversary. We are very thankful for all the knowledge sharing, the support, and the value of the relationship that has been created. It's super great for us. We want to continue this relationship and bring it to a greater height. We see that both parties will definitely grow together in this region in a massive way. So congratulations again, and happy birthday.
Thank you.